Hi everyone, my name is Chris Richardson. I'm the General Counsel and COO of BDV Solutions. I'm a former consular officer and an immigration attorney based out of Greenville, South Carolina. As a consular officer, which is with the State Department as a U.S. diplomat, I served as a visa officer, which meant I managed visas in the embassies in Nigeria, Nicaragua, Pakistan, and Spain. Today I'm going to talk a little bit to you about the EB-3 Unskilled program and the way it works. You don't have to have any kind of training at all. The first step is that your employer, the person who's petitioning for you, has to file what's called a Perm Labor Certification, PERM. And what that means is that the employer has to show that there are no U.S. workers in the world who want your job. And what that means is they have to run ads and attempt recruitment of U.S. workers. And if they aren't able to find any U.S. workers, they're going to file what's called a labor certification with the Department of Labor. For step 2, after your labor certification has been approved by the Department of Homeland Security, that labor certification is going to be filed with a form called an I-140. Now, if you're outside of the United States, you're going to do something called consular processing. What that means is that once your I-140 gets approved, that's going to be forwarded to the State Department under the National Visa Center, and then eventually to your embassy or consulate abroad, and they'll interview you from there. But if you're here in this country as an F or an L or an H, that I-140 is going to be filed with what's called the Form I-485, Adjustment of Status. And that means that you're going to be interviewed right here in the United States by the Department of Homeland Security. Step 3, the final stages of the green card process. If you're an adjustment of status case and you filed the I-485, you also file for a work permit. Once you get that work permit and you start work, you can give up or abandon your former status as an F1 student visa holder or an H or an L and start working toward getting your green card. Once you get that work permit, then when you go to your visa interview, you can hopefully get your green card and start your life that way. If you're a consular processing case though, you'll interview at the embassy, and the minute you get your visa approval, you come to the United States and start work that way.